sun set over downtown Portland last night, it was clear the skies were not, as the powerful winds pushed smoke from fires burning to the east into the valley. You can see it, you can smell it, and you can expect it to get worse. That smoky haze blanketing much of the state. Smoke levels are fluctuating between unhealthy and hazardous, some of the worst conditions we've had in decades.
For fun? All right, we're at the field now, and we're gonna do some football field work, and it's absolutely apocalyptic outside. There's some news this morning that said Oregon, the Portland area, has the worst air quality in the world right now, and I believe it. What? Why do you have that in a bag? You have to put those in a bag because your shoes smell?
Yeah, I was packing for school.
What do you think, Mike?
Why are bark chips on the playground? That hurts so bad when you fall. Why are bark chips? Yeah, what is that?
Stupid, that's what it is.
Sand.
Remember that little like place we used to go to when we were kids, like birthday party, and it was like
We are kids.
all inside, and there's tubes everywhere, but the ground was like
Pump it up.
Papa's Pizza. Papa's Pizza.
That was Papa's Pizza.
That was Papa's.
different sections you could go. There's like a pirate section.
Was that Papa's
Pump it
Pizza?
up. Different sections pump it
It
up.
wasn't pump.
So it says that Oregon is the worst air quality in the world right now, and you'd think it'd be like hard to breathe, but actually it's not that hard to breathe. It just looks really, really hazy. So we're about to work out on the field, and I'll let you know if it's hard to breathe after a workout, but it looks a lot worse than it actually feels.
I worked out in 550 points air quality index. This is 100.
That's Michael. He sometimes, you know.
You're the Vert Hook 2 player. You're gonna be the number 1 tight end.
And Ma came to watch us play football.
Oh! There you go, Andy.
All right, finished working out and running around, and actually wasn't that bad to breathe. Felt kind of normal.
It was hard for some people.
We're going to the bookstore to purchase
read
a book. Read a book.
Have you read Grenades in the Am?
Shut up. Here we go. Driving through the smokiest of smoky skies. To the bookstore to get some knowledge. I chose this book, Prisoners of Geography, because I like maps and I like how physical, geographical characteristics affect current geopolitics. So that's why I picked this book. Joe, you're up.
I picked Henry David Thoreau. I was thinking about Dead Poets Society 2 days ago, and there's a quote from Henry David Thoreau in that movie, and then I saw this book, and then,
That's why I got it. Good.
that's why I got it.
Mike and Andy didn't get books because they're stupid.
I have a Kindle. I have 40,000 books on there. going to take 6 days to travel across Russia by train.
Twice you said that. Straight?
I also agree.
Granted that the majority are able to at last either to own or hire the modern house with all its improvements. While civilization has been improving our houses, it has not equally improved the men who are to inhabit them. It has created palaces, but it was not so easy to create noblemen and kings. And if the civilized man's pursuits are no worthier than the savages, if he is employed the greater part of his life in obtaining gross necessities and comforts merely, why should he have better dwelling than the former?
You bird watching?
Oh yeah, somebody's up in that window looking back at you right there.
Where?
In that window above their garage. Right?
He's gonna
That's a camera.
he's gonna Saving Private Ryan sniper you.
What river runs through Paris? Nile.
The
Well, you get it.
Sen.
Yes. And which country is the UK's highest mountain? Ben Nevis.
That's in Scotland. I've been to
Yes.
it. Ben Nevis.
Nice.
I was there.
Nice.
I'm the guy from Slumdog Millionaire.
This should be what we do. This should be questions we do.
Yeah, we'll do stuff like this.
All right. Mount Vesuvius overlooks which modern Italian city?
Naples.
Yes.
There's a live chick in my stomach.
Joey Egg Fieri. I'm making rival eggs.
I'll take some butter.
I make my eggs really dry. So they're easier to eat. Early, smoky morning. Eating breakfast before we go work out. I'm not eating breakfast because I don't eat breakfast. Mike, stop. It's disgusting. Excuse me? How many are you gonna drink?
And how many eggs do you want?
For me and Eric, I mine drank raw eggs.
Yeah, I
they
did that.
in Rocky. And it sucked.